Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a link shortcut inside a Windows folder. This is a great way to save frequently used websites, videos, online documents, or resources directly in a folder so you can access them anytime with a simple double click. To get started, find the web page or video you want to save and copy its URL. Once you've copied the link, navigate to the folder where you'd like to store it. Next, right-click inside the folder, select New, and then choose Shortcut. A new window will appear asking for the location of the item. Paste the URL you copied into the location field and click Next. After that, enter a name for the shortcut. This can be anything that helps you identify the link later. Once you've named it, click Finish. You'll now see a shortcut file inside your folder. Whenever you want to open that web page, simply double-click the shortcut, and Windows will launch it in your default web browser. This is especially useful for organizing online resources, educational videos, project links, or websites you need to revisit regularly. And that's it for today's video. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching,